Hey, Pat.
Hi, Jan.
I got mail.
You got mail. What is it?
Weebox.
A Weebox.
It's purple.
It's purple. Today we're on the couch.
Yeah. It's been a long day. I got my booklet.
Oh, let's see it. Oh, zooming in.
It has recipes.
The very best and a true taste of the wild Northland. Ooh.
The Unruly Lady Gin Cocktail.
Nice.
Now let me know on your unruly ladies.
Newspaper.
Want to read some Scottish news? Got
Apparently.
a full page today.
Ooh.
Look at that.
What date is it from?
May the 10th.
Oh, wow. Last month. Nice.
You can read the news.
Yep.
A Scottish clan crest badge.
Okay, I'm gonna zoom in. Whoa. Alright, open it up. Let's see what it looks like.
There's more stuff on the back too.
Cool. You gonna read it after?
Maybe.
Okay.
It goes with all my other pins I got from my grandma.
Whoa.
Matches quite nicely with a lot of the pins I got from my grandma.
Scotland. That looks very cool. I like it.
Yeah.
And then zoom all the way out.
Snacks! Your Piece, bite-sized handmade Highlanders, shortbread handcrafted in Fife, Scotland.
Let's see.
Tiny little cookies.
Oh yeah. Oh, stop moving. I'm trying to keep. There it is. Shortbread handcrafted fine. Nice, yeah.
And there's a book. Clans and the Tartans.
Nice.
We have to go and pull out some of my books because I'm pretty sure the Scottish side is my great grandma's side.
You have a lot of books to read.
I do have a lot of books to read.
Is that all of it?
No. There is stinky stuff. Says dream of the land of your heritage.
Stinky stuff.
It's a bottle of something.
Ooh.
It says dream though, so I bet you it smells like lavender.
Bedtime smells.
It's a rolly thing.
Is it bedtime smell?
Oh, it's definitely a bedtime smell.
It's a dodo smell.
You want to smell what the dodo smell? You want to be able to smell it in the roll belly? Smell
Okay, everybody, smell. Smells like dodos.
And everyone's like, what the hell? It smells like dodos. It's French for sleep.
Yay, Jen translates. What's that? It's a card.
Piece of paper.
It's a piece of paper.
And it's got Scotland on it. And it has all the different clans are.
Nice.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Have to figure it all out.
That's the whole box?
It's a whole box. A little bit of a smaller box today, but it's got stinky stuff.
Got stinky, smelly stuff.
Yay.
Okay, bye.
Bye.